Guys, good morning. Renal daw. So, today, age problem tayo. Okay? So, Anna is twice as old as Ben. In 6 years, the sum of their ages will be 54. How old are they now? So, dati, sinod na natin to by distinguishing the past, the present, and the future. Pero, try natin isolve lang by simply algebra lang. Okay? So, si Ben, let's say Ben, si Ben, ang age niya, let's say X. So, si Anna, Anna is twice as old as Ben, so 2X siya. No? So, in 6 years, okay, in 6 years, the sum of their ages will be 54. So, gawa tayo ng equation. So, in 6 years, so, Ben, ito si Ben, plus 6. Okay, plus yung si Ana naman, 2x plus 6 kasi in 6 years, so future siya, is equals to 54. Okay, so this is a linear equation. You can easily solve for x. So x plus 2x is 3x, 6 plus 6 is 12, is equals to 54. So 3x, so ito ipalit dito sa kabila. So 54 minus 12 is 42. So x is divide both sides by 3. So x is 14. Okay. So ang age ni Ben ay 14. So si Ben ay 14 kasi yung x is 14. And Anna is twice 2x, diba? So 2 times 14 is 28 years of age, years old. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Okay, thank you.